Want to keep your home renovation or construction site from turning into a dust storm that messes with your neighbor's lungs? Alright, so first off, always wet down the area with water before you start any demolition or dirt moving. You don't want dust flying everywhere, right? Next, try using tarps or plastic sheeting to cover piles of dirt or debris. This helps keep dust from spreading when the wind picks up. If you're working on a super dry day, consider spraying water regularly throughout the project, not just at the start. Also, clean up debris as you go instead of piling it all up until the end, which just makes a big dust mess. Another pro tip is to use a broom or a vacuum cleaner with a HEPA filter to catch fine dust particles inside your home during the work. Don't forget to tell your crew to wear masks, especially when they're breaking concrete or drywall. That stuff is nasty for your lungs. And finally, let your neighbors know what's going on and when you'll be doing the dustiest work so they can plan around it or stay indoors. One of the biggest issues with dust suppression is not wetting down the site enough, which lets fine dust float into the air and cause respiratory problems for folks nearby. The fix? Just keep spraying water regularly, especially during windy or dry days. Another mistake is leaving dirt piles uncovered, so dust blows all over the place. Using heavy-duty tarps or plastic sheets can stop that mess in its tracks. Lastly, many people forget to clean up during the project and only do a big sweep at the end, which spreads dust everywhere and makes it worse inside your home. The solution is simple: tidy up often and use a vacuum with a good filter to trap those tiny dust particles. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who actually care about keeping their projects clean and safe. Plus, contractors get to find steady work from people who need pros for their home improvement tasks, making it a win-win for everyone involved.